Second World War was a turning point in Sami history. The German occupying forces burned down large parts of northeastern Sámi before retreating in 1945. In the wake of the war, a new view of the Sámi arose, and there was a break with the Norwegianisation policy of earlier times. Educational policy became the initial focus of the Norwegian authorities, and funds were allocated for textbooks to be printed in Sámi. In 1956, the government appointed the Sámi Committee, which was charged with discussing principles and studying Sámi issues. This committee concluded that the Sámi people should be integrated into Norwegian society, while at the same time the Sámi culture should be given special protection. In 1959, the Sámi language became a separate subject taught in schools, and the Norwegianisation laws from the end of the 1800s were formally repealed. The political and cultural consciousness among Sámi increased. Already in 1947, the reindeer herders formed their own nationwide organization. And in 1968, the National Association of Norwegian Sámi was established. Today, this is the biggest political grouping in the Sámi parliament. In the following years, a number of political, cultural, occupationally related and professional Sámi organizations were formed. At the same time, the Sámi in Sweden and Finland also formed similar organizations. The Nordic Sámi Conference became a joint forum for all Sámi across national borders, and the Norwegian Sámi Council gradually came to act as an advisory body to the Norwegian authorities. The Nordic Sámi Institute is the first of a number of Sámi institutions which at that time were formed in Sámi society. In 1980, a separate office for Sámi affairs was established within the Ministry of Local Government, which was to coordinate the government's work on Sámi issues. In the following years, a number of studies and reports were produced on the Sámi people's legal status, culture, and other Sámi issues. During the struggle against a hydroelectric development project on the Alta-Gårdegate river system in Finnmark, environmental problems and Sámi issues became linked. There were demonstrations in Alta, Sámi on hunger strike in front of the Norwegian Parliament building, and demonstrations in the Prime Minister's office.
The most important result of our struggles in the late 70s and 80s is the establishing of the Sámi Parliament in Norway.
This opposition resulted in a smaller development than planned, and the government appointed a Sámi Rights Committee. This committee prioritized the task of establishing a popularly elected body to represent the Sámi. In 1987 came the Sámi Act, and in 1989 His Majesty King Olav V opened the first Sámi Parliament.
Jeg ber Gud signe Sametingets verning og erklære det første ordentlige Sameting for åpnet.
The fundamental attitude of present-day Sámi policy is that the state should facilitate the protection and development of Sámi culture and civic life. The concrete shaping of Sámi policy shall be controlled by the Sámi themselves. This is laid down in the Norwegian Constitution.